Do you want to make this type of racing paragraph videos? Can racing paragraph videos be monetized on YouTube? Yes, any original content that adheres to YouTube terms can be monetized. A top example of this niche is Data is Beautiful. They have gotten remarkable success. Last year, this channel uploaded nearly 70 racing paragraph videos. Now they have 1.4 million subscribers and generating an annual income of approximately $200,000 solely from these videos. So, how does they get so many views and growing so quickly? The reason is simple. This type of videos is so much engaging and people like watching these videos. Now the question is whether you can also make similar videos or it requires very advanced level skills and expertise. So let me tell you that making these videos is very much simple. Just 2 simple steps. Your video will be ready within 10 minutes. Now you might be thinking about data. In today's video, I will guide you through the process step by step from data to creating videos. You will learn how to create visually appealing professional racing paragraph videos that are suitable for YouTube monetization. At first, we need data. For data, visit gs.statecounter.com. From here, you can get market and country data on different countries. Just come here. Look, there are lots of options like browser market share, search market share, OS market share. You can work any of them. Like today, I will work on social media stats. So click on it. So this is our data, but we don't need our data like this way. So click on edit chart data. Now you will get lots of options. Like you can select the period. I am selecting yearly and from 2009 to 2023. And from this option you can select region. Here you will get about 100 countries and 7 continents data. So you can work on every single country or continent. Now I am selecting worldwide. Now click on view chart. So this is our data. Now click on download data. Always select the CSV file. So click on it. It will take 5 to 10 seconds to download. Our data has been downloaded. So we got our data. Now the racing paragraph. For paragraph video, visit alienart.io. Now from these options you can sign in here. So I am clicking continue with Google. Here is the dashboard. Now click on create project. Now give it a title, social bar chart. I am doing it for YouTube, so I am selecting landscape. Now select the type. I am selecting this option. So click on it and click on create. This is our paragraph style, but there is no data. So at first we need to upload data. For uploading data, click on data. Now click on file. Now import. Select annually from this option and import your data. So our data is imported. Now click on preview. So this is our racing paragraph, but it looks very much simple. We need to edit it. So go to layers. From this option you can change the duration of the video. So click on it. I am making it 3 and save. So go to preview. Look, now it is a bit slow. Now go to layer again. Click on background. By clicking color you can change the background. So I am just clicking here. If I want to make it yellow, you can click here and look, it is yellow. But I think the previous one was good, so I need to select that, change it. Here every single bar is white and we can change them. For it, click on bar chart range and select custom bar colors. Look, every single bar colors has been changed. Now you can change the particle colors. So click on particles. It's now white. So just click on it and you can make it red or anything. I am making it ash. Particle color has been changed. Now we need to add the social media logo. For it, go to data. Look, the first one is Facebook. Search here Facebook logo. Now click on any image. Click the right button and copy image link. Now come here and click on choose. Click on URL and paste the URL and click on save. Our Facebook logo has been added. Now do the same for the rest. So I have added all the logo. Now check the preview. It's loading. Here are all the logos and it's looking good. So this is the simplest way you can do this. Now you can also add the background music. For it, click on layers, click on add audio. Now change file. From here you can add background music. Now it's the time to download the video. So click on export video. It's now exporting. It will take few moments. It's now exporting. So our video is ready. Let's check. In this website, you will get data on different industries. And for every industry, you will get data for every single country and every single continent. So for one industry, you can make more than 100 videos. So your video idea will never be ended. Just work on it.